Hello friends, it's Teddy here. Today, we're going to draw Miles Morales from the incredible movie Spider-Man across the Spider-Verse. Let's begin by creating an oval shape for his head. Next, add an S-curve and a C-curve for his eye. Repeat these steps on the other side as well. Make the lines bolder to enhance the overall look. Now, draw an S-curve below his face, extending it with a curved bracket shape. Create a reverse U shape, and continue with a C-curve, forming a reverse curved bracket shape. Next, draw a diagonal curve shape, and continue with a big C-curve. Repeat this process to shape his foot, using a C-curve. Moving to the top, draw an S shape, and add a C-curve opposite to it. Next, draw a stretched V shape, and continue with a swirl shape, followed by a U shape and two oval shapes. Complete the process with another U shape and end it with a C-curve. Repeat these steps on the other side as well. Now, let's add two curved brackets to one of his feet, and a C-curve to the other foot. Don't forget to add a border along his torso and arms for the reflectors. Finally, for the logo, draw the spider, and add a circle. That's it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be back with more. Until then, happy drawing!